Hello everyone, welcome to Hello Friends Chemistry channel. In this video I am going to talk about solubility and solubility product. This is the one of the important concept in ionic equilibrium. Friends, what is solubility and solubility product? My name is Uma Shankar. Start this section, see this board. Friends, solubility and solubility product. In chemistry, two types of salts are soluble. One is the I soluble salts and second one is the sparingly soluble salts. Okay friends, first one is the I soluble salt and second one is the sparingly soluble salts. In solubility and solubility product is the measured to the sparingly soluble salts. Now I am going to talk about solubility product. First of all, I am discuss about the solubility product. What is soluble product? First of all, solubility product. Friends, what is solubility products? You know that you have to consider a salt like this. This is the salt. AB is a salt. This salt is sparingly soluble in water. What happens, friends? This is the AB is present in there. This is aqueous. This is salt. Friends, this is the AB is the salt. This salt is sparingly soluble. What, friends? Sparingly soluble. Now this aqueous of AB is present in there. Now this aqueous is after is this is the A plus aqueous plus B minus aqueous is present in there. Friends, this is the AB. Now we have to consider this salt. This salt is dissolved in water. What happens, friends? This salt is sparingly soluble. Now this AB is present in there. This AB is called as sparingly soluble salt. This is aqueous is present in there. Now this aqueous is after this is the dissociated to the A plus and B minus. This is the cation and anion is present in there. Most of the salts are in electrolytes is present in most of the salts is electrolytes. These electrolytes AB is the dissociated to the A plus and B minus. Now what is the solubility product? E plus. Now this is like this. AB is dissociated to the A plus B minus. This is aqueous and this is aqueous. Friends, this is salt. Okay friends, now we have to find out the solubility products in according to chemical equilibrium. Friends, in according to chemical equilibrium, what is, friends? Equilibrium constant K is equal to active mass of products by active mass of reactants. These are the products and these are the reactants. Now concentration of A plus into concentration of B minus by concentration of AB. This is the K is equal to concentration of A plus into concentration of B minus by concentration of AB. This is the products and this is the reactants. Now K into this is AB equal to concentration of A plus into concentration of B minus. Friends, you know that in chemical equilibrium what happens, friends? Salt is equilibrium to the aqueous. What happens, friends? Salt of the active mass is constant. Now this is constant and K is constant. These two are constant. This called as KSP. KSP equal to concentration of A plus into concentration of B minus. This KSP is called as, friends, this KSP is called as solubility products. Friends, this KSP is called as solubility product. Okay friends, what is, friends? This KSP is called as solubility product. Solubility product is nothing but the concentration of ions is also called as solubility products. This is the solubility products. Now one more explain. This is the AB is a salt. This salt is sparingly soluble. What happened? The aqueous of AB is present in the aqueous of AB is called as electrolyte. This electrolyte is the A plus and B minus ions are present in the. Now this similarly this is the like this AB is gives A plus and B minus aqueous, and this is K is equal to solubility constant. This K is equal to equilibrium constant. K is equal to concentration of A plus into concentration of B by concentration of AB. And after this is called as, this is also constant and this is constant. Because of this constant is the salt is equilibrium to the aqueous. This is also constant. These two are constant is called as KSP. KSP is called as solubility product. Solubility product is equal to concentration of ions. This is clear, friends. Now this is arise. And next one is the, I am going to talk about solubility. Friends, next one is the solubility. Friends, what is solubility? Solubility is nothing but the amount of, friends, the amount of solute is present in the 1 liter solution in a saturated state at given temperature. This called as solubility. Friends, solubility is nothing but the amount of solute in present in the 1 liter solution in a saturated state at given temperature. This called as solubility. Friends, solubility is nothing but the amount of solute present in 1 liter solution. This solute is grams. Friends, this solute is grams. How many grams are present in the 1 liter solution? This is like this. This is solute is called as grams. I am represented to the this solute is grams. Now this is 1 liter solution. Now what is the units, friends? What is units, friends? Unit is the grams per liter. Grams per liter is the solubility of units. S is the solubility. Solubility units is grams liter inverse. And as well as this solute is moles. Friends, this solute is moles in 1 liter solution. What happened, friends? What is the units of the solubility? Solubility units is moles per liter. Now this units is moles per liter. Now one more important point, friends. The point is the solubility of units is grams per liter and moles per liter. In solubility and solubility product, calculate the solubility and solubility product is expressed only moles per liter inverse. Okay, friends, is expressed only moles per liter inverse. This is called as solubility. Now I am going to talk about relation between, friends, relation between solubility and solubility product. This is arise. Friends, I am going to talk about relation between solubility and solubility product relation. Okay, friends. Now I am going to discuss about solubility and solubility product relation. Now first salt is the type 1:1 salt like AB. Example of the type 1:1 salts like AgCl and AgBr and PbSO4, lead sulfate and barium sulfate. These are the 1:1 type salts. Now these salts are relation between solubility and solubility products. Now this is the AB, friends. This AB is the like this. This is A plus and B minus. This is salt, friends. This is the salt. This salt is solubility to form the A plus and B plus ions. This is aqueous and this is aqueous. Okay, friends. This is aqueous and aqueous. Now I am going to talk about solubility and solubility product relation. Friends, this is salt is dissociated in the water. This is A plus and B minus. Now KSP is the solubility product, is the concentration of ions A plus into concentration of B minus. Now this is AB is the sparingly soluble. Sparingly soluble, what happened? The solubility of this salt is the S, moles per liter. Now solubility of this AB is solubility is S moles per liter. Now this is the S moles is solubility. Now what happened, friends? This is S moles is solubility. This is A moles of S is present in there and B moles of S is present in there. Now this is S and this is S. Now what is KSP? KSP is equal to concentration of A plus into concentration of B minus. Now the solubility of this A plus is S into this is S. Now KSP is, what is, friends? KSP is equal to S square. Now the solubility product is equal to the S square. This is the important formula is present in this solubility and solubility product relation. This is the solubility and solubility product. KSP is equal to S square in type 1:1 AB type salts like AgCl and AgBr and PbSO4 and BaSO4. This is these type of salts like KSP is equal to S square. Now we have to calculate the solubility. Solubility is equal to root over KSP. Okay friends, this is clear, friends. This is the one more important formula is present in type 1:1 Ag 1:1 salts. Okay friends, this is clear, friends. This is arise. And next type is the second type is type 1:2 or 2:1 type salts like PbCl2 and Ag2CrO4. Friends, this is the PbCl2 and Ag2CrO4. This is the type 1:2 and 2:1. It means one cation and two anions are present in that salts. These type of salts, what is the relation of the solubility and solubility product? Okay friends, these type of salts, what is solubility and solubility products? Now this is these type of salts is 1:2 and 2:1 salts is AB2 salts. This AB2 salts is dissociated to the A plus 2B minus. Okay friends, these type of salts, this is the solid state and this is aqueous and this is aqueous. Okay friends, now what is the KSP? KSP is equal to solubility product is concentration of ions like A plus into concentration of B minus, and this 2 is called as stoichiometric coefficient 2. Okay friends, now this is the AB2 salt. Now this AB2 salt is sparingly soluble. This soluble salt solubility is represented to the S. Now solubility of AB2 is S. It is A plus means this is S moles of the solubility is present in there. This is the 2 into S moles is present in there. This is called as 2S. Okay friends, this is the 2 into S moles is present in there. This is the solubility of this AB2 is the S, and this is A plus and 2B. This is S and this is 2S. Now what is the concentration of A plus is solubility is S, and this is the B minus ion concentration is 2S whole square. Now KSP is equal to S into this is 4 S square. Now KSP is equal to 4 S cube. This called this is the one more important formula is present in the type 1:2 or 2:2 type salts like KSP. Solubility product is equal to 4 S cube. This is the solubility and solubility products of this type of salt. And next I am going to talk about one more important concept, that is the common ion effect present in the solubility and solubility products. This is clear, friends. Friends, this is the very important, friends. What is common ion? Common ion effect. Friends, now we have to consider a salt AB. This salt is sparingly soluble. This is A plus plus B minus. This is aqueous and this is aqueous. This is salt. Now this is the common ion is present in there. Friends, this is the sparingly soluble. Okay, friends. Now this is the sparingly soluble common ion is effect. Now highly soluble salt is present in this solution, that is called highly soluble salts is AX. This is the highly soluble. This is A plus plus X minus. This is aqueous and this is aqueous. Friends, this is the highly soluble salt. This is the highly soluble salt, friends. Highly soluble salt. This is highly soluble salt is AX is, this is A plus and X minus. This is the sparingly soluble like A plus and B minus. Now these two are the common ions are present in there. This is A plus and A plus. What is, friends? This is the common ions are present in this solution. What happens, friends? Whenever the common ions are present in this solution, this A plus ion concentration is increases. What happens, friends? A plus ion concentration is increases. A plus ion concentration is increases in this sparingly soluble salt. What happens, friends? According to Le-Chatelier principle, the reaction is shift in backward direction. Okay, friends. Whenever the A plus ion concentration is increases, the reaction is shift in backward direction. Whenever the backward direction is shift in this is the small quantity is soluble. Now this reaction is backward. Now what happened, friends? Now solubility of the sparingly soluble salt is solubility decreases. This is the very important, friends. This is the very important point, friends. The common ion effect is present in the solubility and solubility product. What happened, friends? This is the highly soluble salt is present in these sparingly soluble salt. What happened that the solution of the A plus ion concentration is the increases in this example. Now this example, what happened, friends? A plus ion concentration is increases. What happened, friends? According to Le-Chatelier principle, the A plus ion concentration is increases. According to Le-Chatelier principle, the reaction is takes place backward direction. Whenever the reaction is backward direction takes place, what happened? This is the precipitate is present in the. Now it means the solubility is decreases. This is the common ion effect is present in the solubility and solubility product. This is the concept of the solubility and solubility product of ionic equilibrium. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.